Alright guys, I just got a new GoPro and I'm going to try this out. I'm going to see if these videos record correctly. I've had a lot of trouble so far trying to connect it to my goddamn phone. It's like they're fighting each other. Boom, 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 boom. It's like total incompetence. Like the fucking Mets there. The fucking... How inept can the Mets get? They can't hit. Their pitching sucks. Their fielding sucks. Other than that, they're doing fine. As Pete Alonso has gone... Pete Alonso has turned trash! Oh, I liked him so much last year. What has happened to Pete Alonso? Why can't anyone fix him? Why can't anyone make an adjustment? They keep swinging at the same shit pitches time after time. Anyway, the first thing I'm going to do a soda taste test. And it's CNC cotton candy soda. Cotton candy soda. You heard me correctly. Cotton candy soda. I don't believe it. I don't understand it. But you know what? Let's see how this goes. I don't know. I'm not a big cotton candy guy, but this is cotton candy. It's the blue cotton candy. It looks like Windex. Windex. It looks like Windex. Of course, CNC is made in Cranford, New Jersey. Cotton candy soda. I've never heard of cotton candy soda. I don't know if this is a good idea or is this going to be another butter soda. But we'll see, as hopefully my GoCam records this well. It says my live preview is unavailable. I can still connect to my GoPro because I'm still connected via Bluetooth. Okay, so that's good. So I can still control it. I got the preview. It looked like it was in frame, so hopefully this all goes well. I can't see what I'm shooting as I try to figure out how to work this damn thing. But here goes nothing. Ban, dan, dan, ban, boom, 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 ban, 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 dan, It tastes like cotton candy. It really does. And that's not necessarily a great thing. As I said, I'm not a big cotton candy guy. Rots your teeth. Dun 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 dun. I'll give this a 5.6.